Hi, I'm Zane with Phoenix Engineering and Consulting Inc. Why do you need a PE? Well, there are several times when you will need a professional engineer or a PE, and there are other times where you would definitely want a PE. Let's talk about needs first. We are often needed for items that are going into local jurisdictions. Maybe you're installing a piece of equipment, building a structure or a building, or creating a new facility, or even modifying an old one. See, in the old days, you would contact the local building official, submit some plans, schedule them to come out and look at it, and now with more complex items and fewer staff in the planning offices, having a PE review and stamp it before submittal has slowly become the norm. Having a PE licensed in that state review a proposed design for use at a location in that state, and then having them review, approve, and stamp that set of plans tells the local official that the local codes and requirements have been reviewed and that the project works for the local loads, local conditions, and local requirements. As an example, wind loads are higher in Florida than they are in Iowa, snow loads are higher in Ohio than they are in Texas, seismic loads are higher in California and Charleston, South Carolina. Yep, high winds and high seismic, a really tough place to build. So just because a product design has been stamped in New York does not mean that it will work in Southern California. Your PE will be familiar with the area, familiar with how things go together there, and sometimes will be familiar with the local official themselves. So if a project requires a permit to begin construction, often a PE is needed to approve the plans and stamp them before you can submit them to the local jurisdiction. If you have a larger project and you're rolling things out, maybe a standard design across the entire US and Canada, sometimes it's good to go with a larger engineering company that has access to licensed engineers throughout North America. That way you go through the details once instead of 58 plus times. So if your project requires a PE stamp for a state, or you have a bunch of projects in multiple states, you will need a PE to help you. Here at Phoenix, we have you covered throughout North America and can be a one-stop shop for your engineering needs. We look forward to helping you on an upcoming project. Give us a call today.